Budget-friendly home decor ideas that look expensive. Is it possible to make your home look like $1,000,000 without actually spending $1,000,000? Heck yes, it is. Today on Viana Home, we're sharing the best home decor ideas that are easy on the wallet but totally high on style. Hey everyone, and welcome to a little budget talk on Viana Home. We're diving into some fantastic home decor ideas that will totally transform your space. You don't need a huge renovation fund to make a big impact. You just need to be smart and strategic with your choices. The first rule of budget-friendly decor is all about the power of paint. Seriously, a fresh coat of paint is the cheapest, easiest, and most dramatic change you can make. But here's the secret sauce. Think beyond just the walls. Consider painting an old, tired piece of furniture, like a dresser or a bookcase, in a bold, trendy color to give it a second life. Or try painting your interior doors black or deep gray for an instant touch of high-end sophistication. It's a total game changer, and it costs next to nothing. Next up, pillows and throws are your best friends. These small textile pieces are the easiest way to inject color, texture, and current trends into a room without committing to a huge purchase. You can swap them out seasonally. Invest in good pillow inserts. That's the fluffy part inside. And then just buy affordable covers. That way, when you get tired of that chevron print, you just buy a new cover for $10. Same goes for throws. A cozy, textured throw casually draped over a sofa makes the whole room feel instantly more comfortable and inviting. Now let's talk about the often overlooked hero, the right curtains. Stop using those thin, flimsy, sheer curtains that hang awkwardly. Invest in good, weighty curtains that go all the way to the floor. And here's a trick. Hang the curtain rod high and wide, meaning hang it a few inches below the ceiling and let the rod extend well past the window frame. This simple illusion makes your windows look bigger and your ceilings look taller, giving the room an expensive, custom-designed feel. It's a classic designer trick, and anyone can do it. Another awesome home decor idea is all about creating vignettes. Don't just scatter objects randomly. Gather small collections of items on shelves, coffee tables, or dressers. This is called a vignette. Use the rule of 3. Grouping items in odd numbers is more visually pleasing. And mix in different heights and textures. Think a stack of books, a small plant, and a scented candle. Suddenly, those random trinkets look like a thoughtfully curated display. You can use stuff you already own. Just move it around. Finally, never underestimate the power of greenery. Bringing plants, real or high-quality faux, into your space immediately adds life, color, and a sense of freshness. A large leafy floor plant can fill an empty corner and look incredibly chic for a fraction of the cost of a new piece of furniture. These simple strategic decor moves prove that you don't need a huge budget to have an absolutely gorgeous home. Which of these easy decor ideas are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. And for more genius ways to upgrade your home without breaking the bank, be sure to hit that subscribe button on the Viana Home channel. We are here to help you live stylishly.